Hello, today we will be going over how to relink offline media in Premiere Pro. Any offline files will be displayed with this red warning label. This means that your footage has moved locations since the last time you opened this Premiere project. Or, if you were editing off of an external hard drive, that hard drive might not be plugged in. To relink missing files, you have to tell Premiere where the files are currently being stored. To do this, go to the Project panel and right-click whichever media has a question mark next to it. This means that it is unlinked. Scroll down and press Link Media. You will be brought to this window that replicates your computer's file structure. You can either press Search and let Premiere locate the files on its own, or if you're aware of where the media is being stored, you can search for it yourself and click OK. After that, the files will be located and you can resume editing. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more helpful tips.